Okay.
What's in there?
Ooh, another Minecraft. Ooh, more stuff.
Oh my gosh.
We got another Minecraft Lego set. What's this?
I don't know.
What is it?
It's a fart machine. It has fart sounds.
Brady, push it.
See like this.
What is this?
You're not even worried about that fart machine?
Oh,
I think that they're just so fun.
oh, these are stuff. So funny.
Well, push it again. Let me see the fart machine quick. Show me all the noises. Here, hold it up to me. Let me see.
Here's this one. Wait. Don't sound like a gun. Here's this one. Here's this one. And this one. Here's this one.
Activated. So there's a motion activator. So you go like this with someone, and then they go. So you put under their seat.